Wanna level up your game without spending a single dollar? These 5 AI tools will blow your mind, and they are 100% free. Whether you are on a potato PC or a gaming rig, you need to try these in 2025. Let's go! Starting with the tool number 1, which is Razer Cortex, the ultimate free tool to squeeze every bit of power out of your system. One click and it shuts down background apps, optimizes performance, and gives you smoother FPS, especially on low-end PCs. So give it a try. Tool number 2, Krisp.ai. Ever had teammates complaining about your microphone background noise? Krisp.ai removes all that junk in real time. Your voice becomes crystal clear, perfect for streamers or multiplayer games. Tool number 3, Nvidia Broadcast. If you are using an Nvidia GPU, you can use Nvidia Broadcast to turn any room into a pro setup. Blur your messy background, remove noise, auto frame your face, all powered by AI. Tool number 4, ChatGPT or Gemini for game strategy. You're stuck on a boss or want the best weapon loadout? Use ChatGPT or Gemini to build custom strategies. Just type best sniper loadout for PUBG 2025, that's for example, and you get tailored advice instantly. Tool number 5, AI voice mods. Wanna troll your friends or just have fun? Voicemod's free AI voice changer lets you sound like a robot, whether it's hilarious and surprisingly high quality. So, which one are you installing first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a part 2 with AI tools for editing, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one. Bye.